12th Gen Intel gaming laptops are finally here, and this is one of it that we've got in our studio. This is the MSI Pulse GL66, which is a 15.6-inch mid-range laptop that has been refreshed with a 12th Gen Intel processor. So my unit here is the top spec model, which comes with a Core i9-12900H processor, along with 16GB of RAM and an RTX 3060 laptop GPU. So I've been using this laptop for a couple of weeks already, and there are certain things that I really like about this, but also there are things that I do not like. And here's all you need to know about the 12th Gen Intel MSI Pulse GL66. So if you have been checking out the 11th Gen Intel model of the Pulse GL66, this is actually just a refresh of that very same model, so you will be expecting the same hardware on this entire thing except for the internals, alright? So as you can see right over here, this is a really nice 15.6-inch display. My unit here is equipped with a full HD panel that refreshes at 240Hz. It supports up to 100% of DCI-P3 color space, which is actually pretty decent if you were to enjoy content on this thing, or even to do some graphics work. The colors are actually pretty good. Now, what I really like about the GL66 is that it has this really nice laser edge design on its chassis. It definitely looks cool as a gaming laptop, and I'm glad that it doesn't have those flashy RGB lighting that can suck up a lot of power. So MSI is definitely toning down its laptop design for a bit this time. So this is a really nice aluminum chassis that has this really nice laser edge, right? Now, in terms of ports here, on the left here, you get a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port, and along with a USB 2.0 port. I'm not sure why they're still offering USB 2 on this laptop. And on the right side of the laptop, this is where most of the ports are. You get an HDMI, a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, and there is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 full-size port as well, along with a headphone jack. And there's also an RJ45 LAN port right over here if you actually want to use that. Unfortunately, there is no micro SD card or a full-size SD card slot, which is a disappointment for those people who intends to buy this as a creator laptop. You will have to use an external SD card for that. MSI has also included some other design elements on this laptop to make it look more like a gaming laptop. Especially you get some stripes on the side of the keyboard and a little bit of curves around the keyboard corner, and there's even like a triangle shape or something that is on the trackpad right over here, which makes this laptop look super cool if you want to show it off to your friends. Now, the keyboard is a pretty standard MSI keyboard that we all have known it for. It is actually pretty okay when it comes to key travel and when it comes to typing, but I really just don't like that MSI simply just cram a numpad onto the laptop, because this numpad is really just too small to be usable even when it comes to productivity, and they have to like purposely squeeze an enter key, which looks super weird on the bottom part of the numpad right over here, which really looks super weird. But it's something that MSI is doing here, which I think some people will like, but personally I don't really like it. The trackpad right over here is actually pretty small compared to many other MSI laptops that I have seen out there, but it isn't something that isn't usable. The tracking is pretty okay in my opinion. It is probably one of the best trackpads that MSI has included on its gaming laptop, which I personally have no complaints at all. But in most cases, gamers will probably connect an external mouse to game anyway. So to be honest, this small trackpad shouldn't matter to most gamers out there. Now, if you intend to do video calls or streaming on the Pulse GL66, it does come with a 720p HD webcam that actually looks pretty okay, but it's not the best that we have seen on a gaming laptop. The Pulse GL66 features a one-handed hinge which works really well, and it goes all the way down to 180 degrees. Now, this is something that's not very common on gaming laptops, and I'm really glad that MSI has done this on the Pulse GL66. Now, let's talk about performance, which is one thing that I am a little disappointed with this unit right here. Now, first of all, I didn't expect MSI to have the Core i9 processor to be part of the SKU of the GL66, because considering this is a mid-range laptop that comes with a RTX 3060 laptop GPU, most other laptop manufacturers would have just included Max and Intel Core i7 processor. But this isn't totally a bad thing, as some people might require a more powerful processor to do more processor-intensive stuff. But you know what? On the MSI Pulse GL66, the cooling really isn't sufficient to cool this powerful processor, because it is extremely noticeable in gaming that it tends to throttle as it reaches its maximum temperature. You can definitely see drops when running benchmarks such as 3D Mark, and when I game, I can realize a very serious drop in frame rates, like a dip, like suddenly it just dropped 5 to 10 frames. So even though we managed to get some pretty decent benchmark scores when it comes to gaming, to be honest, the GL66 with the Core i9 processor didn't deliver a really good gaming experience based on my test. So I guess this is something that you might need to look out when you buy the MSI Pulse GL66, and I would suggest that you avoid the Core i9 model at all costs. And not to mention that the Pulse GL66 cooling fan is super loud when plugged in, and it can be very annoying during gameplay. Battery life on the MSI Pulse GL66 is unfortunately a disappointment as well, because MSI does offer a variant of the GL66 with a 90 watt-hour battery, but this particular unit right here is equipped with a 3-cell 53.5 watt-hour battery, which according to my test, the Pulse GL66 will at most last up to 3 hours when I'm doing something very basic on this laptop, including web browsing with multiple browser tabs open and listening to some casual music. So if you're intending to use this for college or office work, you definitely need to look for a plug point. And another thing is that this thing also does not support USB PD charging, so you can't just go buy a USB PD charger and charge up this laptop whenever it runs out of juice. But overall, the MSI Pulse GL66 is a very nice gaming laptop with a very attractive design and a very good 240Hz display. So if you intend to get this laptop, like I said, avoid the Core i9 model at all costs, because this particular unit here costs 7,300 ringgit, which to be honest is very expensive. So if you can go for a i7 or i5 model, and if you find the screen is the same 240Hz as well, go for it. This is a really nice laptop, and probably those models will throttle less than the Core i9 model. So that's all for my review of the MSI Pulse GL66. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos, and I'll see you guys in our next one.